Good day. I'm Cadet Ukanya Alvin James D. I'm here to present about compass error calculation. Course outcome. Plot position lines to determine ship's position using terrestrial observation. Learning outcome. Find deviation and aberration from tables and charts. Compass is an instrument designed to measure direction. Direction is the position of one point relative to another without considering the distance between them. Course is the direction of movement of the observer, while bearing is the direction of an object from the observer. In navigation, direction is expressed as the angular difference between the reference direction, true north, magnetic north, compass north, or ship's heading, and the direction being measured. Magnetic compass uses the magnetic meridian as its reference. Unfortunately, the magnetic poles of the Earth did not coincide with the Earth's geographic poles. The North magnetic pole is approximately in the South magnetic pole is approximately located near latitude 65 degree south, longitude 140 degree S. Because of this non-coincidence, there will always be some angle between the true and the magnetic meridians, except when the true magnetic poles are in the same line wherein the true and magnetic meridians coincide. Definition of terms. True north or true meridian, the direction of the meridian through the observer towards the north geographical pole. It is fixed point and is the reference direction or the origin of measurement of true directions. Magnetic north or magnetic meridian, the direction of Earth's magnetic field at the position of the observer towards the north magnetic pole. It is the reference direction or the origin measurement of magnetic directions. Definition of terms. Compass north or compass meridian, the direction indicated by the north point of the magnetic compass axis of the compass card. It is the reference direction or the origin of measurement of compass directions. Variation. The horizontal angle contained between true geographic north and magnetic north. It results from the caused by magnetism from Earth's magnetic field. It is not location constant. It is different with when every change in geographical location. It is a compass error that you cannot correct. Variation is named is if the direction of magnetic meridian lies to the right of the true meridian and west if it lies to the left. Division. The horizontal angle contained between magnetic north and compass north. It is a result from the magnetic influence of the shapes structure which deviate the compass needle away from the magnetic north. In short, division is caused by magnetism within the bezel. It changes with the change in heading. It can be reduced as much as possible, but it can rarely be eliminated. Division is named is if the compass needle is deflected to the right of the magnetic meridian and west if deflected to the left. Compass error. The horizontal angle contained between true north and compass north. Compass error is named is if compass north lies to the right of true north and west if lies to the left. Compass error is the algebraic sum of variation and division. If variation and division have same name, add. If different name, subtract. In name, say a same as quantity of the greater value. Say also the difference between true course and compass course, or difference between true bearing and compass bearing. Course or CO, the horizontal direction in which the vessel is steered or intended to be steered, expressed as angular distance between from a reference direction 008 degree as 000 degree clockwise through 360 degree to the direction being measured. Heading: the horizontal direction in which abyssal angular distance measured from a reference direction 000 degree clock from 360 to the direction being measured. Bearing: the horizontal direction of one terrestrial point from another expressed as the angular distance measured from a reference direction 0 degree clockwise through 360 to the direction being measured. Correcting a compass: the process of converting compass directions through two directions. Add westerly errors, subtract westerly errors. And correcting a compass: the process of converting through directions to compass directions, subtract easterly errors, add westerly errors. Compass course: the angle at the observer between the compass north and the ship's head measured clockwise from 0 degree from 360 degree. Magnetic course: the angle at the observer between the magnetic north and ship's head measured clockwise from 0 degree through 360 degree. True course: the angle at the observer between the true north and the ship's head measured clockwise from 0 degree through 360 degree. Example: variation 15 degree 30 minutes west in 1994. Annual change 6 minutes, increasing fine variation in 2005. Solution: required year equals 2005, chartered year equals 1994. So minus the time interval equals 11 years. Annual change equals 6 minutes west, increasing times total change 66 minutes west or 1 degree and 06 minutes west. Total change 1 degree and 06 minutes west. Variation 1994 equals 15 degree 30 minutes west. Variation 2005 16 minutes 16 degree and 36 minutes west. Compass error. Naming of compass error: if variation and division is of the same name and their values in affix to the result say their common name. If variation and division of different names, subtract the lesser from the greater value and affix to the result say the name of the greater. Example: a vessel is on course 215 degree through in the area where the variation is 7 degree west, the division is 1.5 degree west. A lighthouse bears 306.5 degree by magnetic compass required. Magnetic course, compass error, magnetic bearing of lighthouse, true bearing of lighthouse, relative bearings of lighthouse. Given TC equals 215 degree through variation 7 degree west, division equals 1.5 degree west, CB equals 306.5 degrees Celsius. TC equals 215. You will add the TC in variation. MC equals 222 degree. Division equals 1.5 degree west equals CC equals 223.5 degree. Variation equals 7 degree west. Division equals 1.5 west equals CA equals 8.5 degree west. CB equals 306.5 degree. Division equals 1.5 degree west. MB equals 305 degree. Variation equals 7 degree west. So bearing equals 298 degree through. TC equals 215 degree through. RNB equals 083 degree. Required: magnetic compass, magnetic course, compass course, compass error, magnetic bearing of lighthouse, true bearing lighthouse, relative bearing of lighthouse. That's all the compass error. Parallel sailing means sailing along a parallel of latitude, maintaining a true course or of is 090 degree or west 270 degree. The days sailed would be the departure at the latitude. Formula: coslat equals departure divide day long. Prior sailing problem: a vessel sailing from at 20 degree 00 minutes north. The long 08 degree 00 minutes east. So lat 20 degree 00 north, long 110 degree 00 minutes east. Determine your course and distance. Find the first, find the low. Long A equals 08 degree and 00 minutes east. Then the long B 110 degree 00 minutes east. The total of the low 030 degree 00 minutes or 1800 minutes is. Find departure or divide distance. Departure equals day long times cos lat equals 1800 minutes times cos 20 degree. The total distance equals 1691.4 nautical mile. True course equals 090 degree true. No, number 2 example. Your shape in initial pose, the latitude 40 degree 00 minutes south, longitude 010 degree 00 minutes is on a course of 270 through and distance traveled of 300 nautical mile. Find the final position. The first, find Delong. Delo equals departure divide coslat equals 300 nautical mile divide cos 40. The total equals 300 nautical mile divide 0.766 7,660. The total is 391.6 or 006 minutes degree 31.6 minutes west. Find long final position. Long A equals 010 degree 00 minutes east. Delo 006 degree 31.6 minutes west. Long B equals 003 degree 28.4 minutes east. That's all. Thank you.